Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you? Or
Fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. So we have to do listening, importance of listening skills. We were doing correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So I told you listening is very important in personal, professional, social life everywhere. Correct. Listening is a responsibility. Okay, it is an active active process and is important at every level. Okay, personal, professional, and social. It is though every one of us listens, okay, but we do it in a passive way. Though we spend 45% of our time in listening, okay, but we remember hardly 25% of the communication. So most of the time people are passive listeners, okay, or inattentive listeners. Is it clear? Hello, is it clear? Listening is a responsibility, okay, it is an active process and so important at every level: personal, professional, social. Though we spend 45% of our time in listening, but we remember hardly 25% of the communication. So, most of the time, people are passive listeners or inattentive listeners. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, which module? Which module is it? Unit 2, na? it's unit 2, topic number 5, listening. Okay. So whoever asked which module and all. So most of the time we are passive listeners or inattentive listener. Now why listening is important? If we don't listen, listening is necessary, is important for healthy relationship. Relationship. Listening is important for healthy relationship. Okay? At all levels, personal, professional, social. Okay? Then it can, it, oh sorry, it is also essential to carry out, to execute, to carry out various responsibilities. In various roles. Okay, so if you are for example, as a citizen, okay, should I erase the upper part? Have you noted down? So listening is important to carry out various responsibilities in various roles. For example, as a citizen, one has to follow rules and regulations, है ना? While walking on the road, okay, may meet an accident if doesn't listen to the sound of horns. Is it clear? Similarly, in office, if you don't follow instructions, similarly in office, if you don't listen to instructions, sorry, well, you will not be able to perform your duty properly. Is it clear? So, in society, okay, I told you as a citizen, in family, if you don't listen to your family members, it spoils, it may lead to broken family. Correct? Is it clear to you? So, listening is important at various fronts. Understood? Should I raise this part? Everybody note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this was regarding your role in various capacity, correct? So, second point, important for speaking. Okay, listening is important for speaking as well. Good listening results in correct pronunciation, comma, stress, intonation, and good vocabulary.
सर नहीं लगा सकती
Okay, if you listen well, if you listen in a good way, you improve your pronunciation. You can know correct pronunciation, correct stress, correct intonation, and you also have good vocabulary. Okay, which encourages you, which encourages one to speak confidently. ठीक है ना? हाँ. Why you anybody, I mean, why anybody doesn't speak? Either the person is not sure about pronunciation, stress, intonation, or correct usage of words. Correct? So good, if you listen well, you not only learn correct pronunciation, stress, intonation, or you improve your vocabulary, you also speak confidently. Okay, which encourages one to speak confidently. So, good listening results in good speaking as well. Is it clear? Third point, Listening is important for listening is important for better productivity, better performance, productivity, and smooth functioning of organization. Is it clear? So listening is important if you want to perform better, if you want to be productive, and if you want to run organization smoothly. Okay? Is it clear to you? Acha, who is Altamas in your class? No? Altamas is in your class, no? Hello. Have you noted down this much?
Yes, madam.
Can I erase this part? Everybody had noted down this?
Yes.
Okay, now I am giving you one example. How good listening can result in poor performance and bad listening can result in if you ask the Xerox wala, okay, suppose you ask your office staff to photocopy a document, okay, okay, document, only one copy you have asked, for one copy, and the person heard 100 copy. 100 copy, suppose, okay. So what will happen? 99 copy will be waste, okay. It's wastage of time, money, energy, correct. Is wastage of time, money and energy, correct? No, because the person hasn't listened well, so 99 copies will be waste It is wastage of time, money and energy as well as paper. Is it clear? है ना? So it is not, it leads to poor performance. Now the staff whom you have asked for photocopy, the person hasn't heard, listen well, okay? So it leads to his poor performance, correct? Which can affect your productivity as well. Correct? Because you were in need of one copy, he took time in xeroxing 100 copies. So 99, till that time you have to wait for one copy. So your time has also wasted. Okay. So in this way your productivity also has been affected. So it also affects the running of smooth functioning of organization. Is it clear to you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
How not listening properly or not good listening affects productivity, performance and smooth functioning of organization. Correct, no? Should I raise it? You have noted down?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, next point is listening is important to avoid disasters, accidents and mishappenings. Okay, as a staff, if you are operating any electronic device, if one is operating any electronic device, or machine, or for example suppose helicopter or your aeroplane, okay, vehicle, Okay, if not listening properly, can lead to accidents, loss of life, है ना, and property. Are mishappenings. Now, if children don't listen to instruction while they are operating the lift, okay, it can lead to accident. Now, if you are using elevator, escalator and not listening to instructions by the railways, okay, then it can lead to accidents. It can lead to loss of life. You means it can lead to somebody's death even. Okay, loss of property can happen. Okay, it may cause some loss to some property. It can also lead to any other mishappening which can risk others' lives as well. Okay, so that is very important to understand. That listening is important to avoid disasters, okay, accidents. As a driver, as a pilot, one need to listen well. Correct? Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Fifth. Is it clear to you? Should I erase this? You have noted down this much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the next? ओहो, ये क्या हो रहा है? Hey, it's not happening only. I'm typing, but it's not showing only. So listening is important. So listening is important for everyone, whether one is holding a high position or a low position. Holding a high position or low position to solve problems Okay. Now, if you are a police officer, if you are a constable, traffic police, or if you are a person in a very low position like security guard, okay, but listening is very important. Driver, passenger, pedestrian, walking on foot on the road, okay. So whatever you are, listening is important for everyone, whether one is holding high position or low position, to solve problems and to create a healthy society. Is it clear? If you don't listen to what is being said, whether you are in whatever position you are not going to be successful. Is it clear? Understood what is the importance of listening? Now, what can be the barriers to listening that you need to understand? I have explained enough of importance of listening, okay, since last two lectures. Now let us barriers to listening. What can be barriers to listening? First is noise. I have already explained what is barrier. Any obstacle which creates problem. Okay. So that is, so first is noise. If the surrounding in which one is speaking and noise is there, okay, obviously it is a big barrier to listening. Na? Noise is a big barrier to good listening, proper listening, correct? No? As it hampers the understanding as it hampers the understanding of the audience or receiver besides speaker. The speaker will also not be able to speak well if noise is there in the surrounding, and it will also hamper the understanding of the audience, correct? Second, distraction. Faulty device, faulty instrument. If you are using any defect, clear? If you are using any device, okay, mic, correct, telephone, mobile, okay, if are defective, then it becomes a barrier to good listening. Is it clear? Understood? Can I raise this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is noted down, no? Now, third point is distance. Okay, so distance is also a barrier. Is it clear? Distance is also a barrier to good listening. If we are speaking face to face and if somebody is at a distant place can't listen well, no. If somebody is nearer can listen well, okay. So distance is also a barrier to good listening when you are talking face to face or even if you are using device, correct? Mic and all. So distance is a barrier to good listening. If receiver is nearer to speaker, to speaker can listen well, but if at a distant place, but if at a distance, distance can not can may not listen well. Is it clear? Understood. So distance also is a barrier to listening. Next point is distraction. Any type of distraction. Sorry. If any distraction happens, such as somebody whispers, whistles, or makes any other type of disturbance, which results in poor listening. Clear? Some people have habit. Somebody is speaking will talk to person sitting nearby, whistling. Okay. So any disturbance, distraction cause results in poor listening. Then language barrier. Language is also a barrier. Okay. Language is a barrier. So it can be due to difference in language. One knows the speaker is speaking in Tamil, the listener doesn't understand Tamil. Okay, so it will result in poor listening, it will become a barrier to listening. Correct now? don't know the same language. Correct? Second, even if they know the same language, it can become a barrier due to jargons, cliches, okay, vocabulary, homonyms, homophones, etc. Clear? Accent, even accent, pronunciation, stress, accent, intonation. Is it clear? So even if you are using the same language, it can become a barrier due to jargons. Jargons means people in one profession, particular profession use the same. So a doctor's language a doctor can understand, a lawyer's language a lawyer can understand. Okay, but if a doctor tells you about any disease in a language which is understood by a doctor, okay, and if you are not a doctor but a patient, you can't understand what the doctor is saying. So jargon is the language used by people in a particular profession. Cliché means outdated vocabulary. Okay, so what is jargon? Jargon is the language used by people in a particular profession. Okay, is it clear? So it is a language used by people in a particular profession. Is it clear to you? So, doctor's language only doctor understand, lawyer's language lawyer understand. Okay, others can't understand. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, cliché is outdated vocabulary. What is outdated vocabulary? Which is not used
Cliches.
which is not used anymore nowadays. Okay, that is known as outdated vocabulary. Okay, so this you can mention even in barriers to communication under linguistic or semantic barrier. Okay, language barrier. Outdated vocabulary, for example, use of words like thou, thee, thy, okay, which are no more used. Okay, ancient vocabulary. which is not used. Okay, so outdated vocabulary. Nowadays you use words like guys, no, hi pal, hi baby and all. So you use such type of vocabulary which is vocabulary. Cliches means outdated vocabulary. Then slangs. Slangs are also not used in formal communication. Some homonyms, homophones I have already told you. Pronunciation. Now same word is pronounced differently by different people, and people from different areas pronounce the same word. Now suppose this word school. Okay, now school is pronounced, if people in UP, they pronounce it not school, they pronounce it is school. Okay, so this way pronunciation also differs. Now see, for example, I have to pronounce the word school now, so I may pronounce it is school. So you may not understand in the beginning if you are not familiar with pronunciation of people from UP, and somebody may pronounce it school, school. Okay, so ka is stressed. Is it clear? So different pronunciation, different stress, different intonation also affects the correct understanding, correct listening. Is it clear? Similarly, for example, how will you pronounce this word? Now, correct pronunciation of this word is mosquito. While most people pronounce it as mosquito, है ना? So correct pronunciation, how you pronounce and how the speaker is pronouncing. Then for example, this word is pronounced by majority as suggestion. Suggestion, while the correct pronunciation is suggestion. So if somebody pronounces suggestion and you are not familiar, you will not understand it is suggestion only. Correct? So pronunciation also affects listening, understanding. Is it clear to you? Have you
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
barriers to good listening? Language is a big barrier. Okay, understood or not? All of you. Hello, students. How are you? I am about to complete the second unit as well. 6 chapters I have completed. So, any problem in understanding whatever I have taught you till now? How many of you are there in the class? First, let me see this even. 56. Abhishek Jaiswal, have you understood something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where is Chetan? Chetan hasn't come. Tirupati, Panigrahi, have you understood something? Okay. So this, should I end the lecture? Because you have another lecture, no? Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am ending it now. Okay. You have lecture in the same room, no?
Yes.
So I can leave the meeting. Whom to make the Abhishek? Can I make you host?
Okay, ma'am.